Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be upgrading the upper PVC hose on a B7 Audi A4, so stay tuned. This breather hose is leaking oil due to a small crack that's on it. I'm going to remove it and install a more durable silicone hose. I squeeze and pull at the same time to remove these clips. These types of plastic hose usually become brittle over time and break, so at some point you might have to replace this, or you could choose to do the upgrade before it breaks. Here's the new one that I'll be installing. Here's the stock plastic hose compared to the upgraded silicone hose. Now I'm going to install the hose, then secure it with the two clamps. And that's going to be it for this upgrade. I will have the part listed in the description below, so feel free to check it out. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.